Hey there, Rick from DreamSideOut. Well, we got snow in Seattle. It's more like slush in Seattle. While I'm just sitting here warming up my car, boy, did I sleep in this morning. Man, when it's snowing out and you're in your van, it's like hibernating. I couldn't even get myself out of the bed. And it was interesting to look out and see all the snow on the ground. My solar panels are covered with snow, and they didn't even kick in till much later than usual. So got to get up there somehow and brush them off, or just let it melt off. Probably just let it melt off, because the green light did finally come on my charge controller. So I'm getting some trickle charge in spite of the snow on the solar panels, which is really amazing. Well, first things first, coffee. Okay, I'm at my parking spot here. This is my coffee making spot for this morning. Get out here and I hope that the driveway or the parking lot here doesn't turn into a donut making competition here. There's a bunch of people here that have been making donuts in the parking lot. As long as they don't ram into my car, it's fine. Okay, I just opened up my back door. I'm going to open it about halfway here so I could capture some warm air up here when I turn on my buddy heater. There we go. Yeah, and then I'll start making some coffee. See what I'm going to do on the snow day today. I'm going to use my good old 2-burner stove here this morning. Make some coffee and maybe heat up something else as well, since it's one of those kind of mornings. So get that set up here. Yeah, if you have a place for junk in a van, guess what happens? You end up having junk there. What are we, humans? We're just a bunch of frickin' pack rats, aren't we? I mean, change of plans on the coffee making. Got my other little stove out here. I always sit this one on the floor when I use it. Well, I was going to cook up some breakfast, but I think I'm going to go have breakfast with my son instead somewhere. So I'm just going to have coffee for now. Coffee, coffee, hurry, hurry, coffee, man, need coffee. Not quite. Gotta be just right on the grind. Okay, that's good. Good old coffee grinder, had that for years. There's my baby seagull friend out there begging, looking at my warm little space. I have a crow that comes up and begs from me too. He's my buddy. His name is Jason the crow. Maybe he'll come. We got water. Sasquatch roasting by the buddy heater. Oh shoot, is that still on? My Sasquatch Christmas cup here. Yep. Well, the good old paper towel becomes, you know, one of the most important things in a van, I'll tell you. I go through paper towels a lot. And I've almost gotten rid of all my small terry cloth towels. I just use those to clean up things, dirt on the floor and things like that. Once they're gone, I probably won't use them anymore. Okay, let's just, while my coffee's brewing, we'll just step out for a minute here. Show you where I'm at. Yeah, Mr. Seagull's sitting there, getting a little worried that I'm walking toward him. But, yeah, it's just a good old gray day out here in Seattle area here. Gray water, can't see the mountains, low clouds. As is typical, the snow has turned to rain in Seattle, so now it's turning into slush. Yeah, so this coffee's brewing here. I like to give it a good 4 minutes, you know, in the French press. It's got to be ground just right. Okay, one of those moments when I had a combination of things happen that... Have you ever been in a situation where a mess just escalates within a split second? Everything's messy. I plunged my French press. It shot out here onto here, splattered. I went to grab something to wipe it up, knocked my sugar on the floor, and it's down there, and I just got it all cleaned up, sort of. Coffee's made, ready to go. Okay, this is a first, you guys. My first sip of coffee in the van on a day that I slept overnight when it snowed. See, that's the kind of stuff that makes great YouTube videos, isn't it? Just the kind of stuff you need to know. So here's to you. And you guys have a great holiday, okay? I'll probably see you again before Christmas.